Hey everyone, what do we got here? Video is coming out a little late this week because I have been building something with my team. I have been building our new training facility and core office and many, many other things. So, main atrium, freaking amazing space. This is all going to be like display room for key machines and all kind of stuff for specialized sale. We're going to have all of our printers and badge credential equipment and so forth. We've got 2 different hallways that you can proceed down to see the rest of our space. Let's check it out. So coming down here, lots of very groovy art on the walls that I've put together, old patent diagrams and the like. Hey, Peter Field, right on. So we have like our other space, fully featured break room area, coffee service, free snacks, free drinks, you name it. This used to be an old industrial space, and like everything now, it's all pretty like. The other hallway that you saw on the way in, that's down there. We have more office spaces in here. But now we're going to get over into the training center and more offices as well. So we have, again, just so many little these are offices we can use as sample attack spaces. We can set them up and reconfigure them on the fly so that students can do different door attacks, access control attacks. This large space back here, this is all going to be RTA offices. Right now we're just storing some equipment. We'll come on down this way. Classrooms are all through this wall. We'll see them last. We, of course, have our various collections and things that are going to keep growing all through here. Full data center. Watch for that in the future. Core group, moving in. All the core group lab stuff is all going to get to live here. This is RTA storage at the moment, going to be the next classroom. But if we bring it back down, this is the best part. And the main thing, of course, that we do is training and consulting. And we do it better than other people in a space like this. So yeah, much, much bigger, capable of handling way more people than we've ever had in our Virginia office, which we still have. We still have our Virginia facility. But this whole wall is a projector. Well, it's 2 projectors, but it is one unified monitor across the entire room. So we'll be able to have, instead of switching and flipping, we'll be able to have slides, we'll be able to have the Zoom chat, we'll be able to have remote students in along with the people in this room, which can hold a considerable number. So yeah, that's about the size of it. If you want to come join us, you know where we are. Find us or catch me online or something. In the meantime, stay safe out there.